Okurugerwa kunihira Josephine are head teacher w'ishomero rya Mubuku Irrigation Primary School nashobora ngu ombare gwabeja ishomera hagucendeire okurugari 588 kukikari 519 habwa kesharingo kabashomesa.
Others are not even coming back to school. Others have decided to stop school and go to look for money. Abandi bakwati abamani risuburo kwa sukuru kusangwa already they are used with the situation.
Yashobora ngo ahishomeraho beinene bzibe bindi ebirumunko butagira ebibina byabeji kushomeramu ebirukumara kabiyonjo oteireho abeja bamwe okushomera hansi y'emiti na bamwe kushomera hansi y'ebibunda ebyateirweho abekerezia ya senti bali kudembe.
Still lack classes. We don't have classes. Mubuku Irrigation Primary School, we have only one permanent building which was recently built by the government. Those are only 2 classes and the office. So that means out of the 7 classes, only 2 classes which are permanent. We are still studying under trees.
Kansara wa skimu wadi bya Mukama Vincent yashobora ngo akesharinga kan keja kuteganisa chango abeje abo kuba benjo murubo baherize kuzomuriza business zabo no kwekorera emirimo kirukwisha kubateganisa munonga na munonga omukushoma kwa tamweji ya kashato.
Abana bakiro bwingi abandi abisiki harulengo rwabisiki abe bakuzo kuziremu bagenzera mu kukora aho kambe ni pura abana bakiro bwingi bali mu byaro kubalyomba rugaye bagenda Kampala genda kora abo kusanga batumasimba gumamuka bikalite tubine muri mugo gukora then ekindi abazaira abandi bafunire mu mugaso kibakolira bugamba babemba twara abana babo Misiri babayamba mirimo.
Tabuga Moses ari mukuru w'ebyo bwegese aha district ya Kasese yashaba abashomesa okuba bagumisiriza obwe government yeriyonesherura kahanda ko buramazi akokora hanshonga zabo ezebye mishara
somesha abo gutukutule umutuko embarira yo mwako wakasa 2027 chikama isaindi kuwama bakayidimira mutukubu wene government konde ni planning ino budgeting ino barrera ino barrera yo makono ngwiti mahinde basomesha lazima bakinde bahereria esya sente esya kiba bikira ni national government kandi government inarumirwe kwihahu yini murondekanya hanga sibana nuko yereke baraye besuba ikabaraka sente kabo ibarangira mbuya kama banika kwanda
amugambaho ahasimu na bwambare Joshua ari chairman w'ikibine kirugita abashomesa ahabwa municipality ya Kasese echa Uganda National Teachers Union yashobora ngunka bekibina bashazire mu kwihake sharingaka ahabwe kiganire kiri kugendo mesho hagati ya government n'abashomesa.
Acho kubanza waberemenya randeke in the Speaker of Parliament Right Honorable Anita Mongi maya sava maisengezya the President of the Republic of Uganda indikiriraye ofisi yiwe nga Speaker of Parliament na line sector committee se Parliament okwala ya local government na ya education then na public service nuko bakana kwa mesi abasomesha
okurugerwa amakuru agarukurwa mu nshonde zindi government yabetakozira hanshonga z'abashomesa nko kubarukuteka teko majingo gesabiti ibiri nebejagomizamo na kesharingo kabo gasha kwa mate Isaac habwa Tayari West.